Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
Hi, I'm Katherine Steele and I work on rice at Bangor University. So rice is, as you'd expect, needs a lot of water and is obviously going to be very susceptible to climate change, and particularly droughts, which are becoming more common due to climate change, and they're so unpredictable. Over 200 million subsistence farmers in India with marginal lands desperately need improved upland rice varieties that they can grow and get a higher yield. We crossed two different upland rice varieties and, working with farmers, identified the ones that had got better roots and also were preferred by farmers. This led to a new variety that has great promise for improved yield under marginal conditions in eastern India.